There's a breathtaking mystique to the Teton Mountains and the valley floor below. Maybe it's the 19 million acre ecosystem, which includes Yellowstone and Grand Teton National Parks. Or it could be that this region is truly one of the last great wildlife sanctuaries in America. Magnificent vistas of numerous rivers, lakes, and mountains make up this most beautiful, authentic Rocky Mountain experience. Welcome to your new frontier. Welcome to Vogel Hill. Vogel Hill is a pristine 430-acre mountain in the center of this magnificent valley. The property is divided into 8 ranches, varying in size from 30 to 62 acres. The remaining land will be protected from development forever. Situated on one of the earliest homestead ranches in Jackson Hole, you're assured a place of history to pass on to future generations. While fly fishing, hiking, or simply enjoying the landscape, it's not uncommon to see bison, elk, moose, bear, eagles, and other birds of prey. There's a peacefulness about this place, a place where you can enjoy a private mountain living experience and yet be only minutes from the most charming of mountain towns. Jackson provides world-class restaurants, art galleries, shopping, and is also home to America's top-rated ski resort. Your family can enjoy numerous other outdoor activities, including golf, tennis, cycling, hunting, fishing, river rafting, rock climbing, hiking, and more. Whether it's a second home or family ranch, there's no denying this mountain paradise is unique. Since only 3% of Teton County is privately owned, less than 1% of this land remains to be developed. The opportunity to become part of this historic mountain valley is finite. This opportunity is Vogel Hill.